So I can't figure out how to make it do the thing that I want it to do. So I have like the wheat code here. Like it does the entire thing, but the moment that it goes like to over here, it stops, but it doesn't allow itself to go there. Again, when it does this one, it just moves on to the next code, which I don't really want it to do. I want it to do that twice. There should be a thing that lets it loop twice. Um, hmm. Is there a thing that uh, like shows how many times it can loop? Like there should be a thing. Um, oh, maybe if I just do that, maybe then it's gonna. Okay, let's clear this. Okay, no, that just moves it twice, which is not the thing that we wanted to do. Um, hmm. Okay, let me check. Yep, we can move northeast, south and stuff. Now we have ranges. By the way, I did play a bit more of this game and I did unlock some more stuff over here, which makes it even more complicated than this. For example, now you can go northeast and stuff, which is uh, dictionary. Dictionaries are structure. It allows you to map keys to values in the same way that real dictionary map words to their definitions. And you can look them up very quickly. This dictionary can be created like this. Write off equals that. The expression before the colon is the key, and the expression after the colon is the value by which the key is mapped. Is the number one of the maps. X, Y equals that. Into the fact. Okay, that's confusing. Accessing the value map and to the key similar to the that value. Example. Okay, that's I unlocked a bunch of the stuff, but I don't think it's very helpful to me right now. Like I feel like this one would be pretty useful in a sense, but lists. Zero. So one thing that I basically want to do is to define this area as like its own thing. For example, I want to have a area for wheat, a area for like trees, a area for like carrots, and then we also want pumpkins as well because we have those too. But pumpkins grow in a weird way, yeah. So we want to define a area like a bit of a different type of area for them. For example, I would like to have this square down here as a like carrot area or something like that, let's say. But then this area over here would be like for pumpkins. So how do we want to do this? So, for example, for this one, we're moving like 2 each time. So if we, because I don't want the trees to be here next to each other, I want them to be like alternating. If I can like find a way to do that, that would be pretty nice. So the first 2 rows, I want wheat. And then the second 2 rows, I want trees. So basically this would be a tree, then that one, and so on in a pattern like that. Then I want the square from here to here to basically be all carrots. And then for this one, from here to here would be all pumpkins. So that's what we basically want to do. But we want to include these ones because this is basically what I made for all this stuff to basically grow it. But I need a way to specify a area for it. So that's why I've been working on like the movement instead. So for example, if we just take out the wall screw, we don't need that right now. So whilst this is in world size, we basically move north until we reach the end. But we're also checking that, for example, if we only move north, as long as we are in the section here within these two. So it would be probably best to make it less or equal to that. How should I do it? So we have that. Maybe I shouldn't include the movement in there. Maybe that should be its own separate thing. The tree code is fine. That's doing its thing properly. Also, because I increased the size of my plot, as you do over here, it did somewhat fuck up. That's why I need to figure out how to specify a place on the actual like board to be able to say like, okay, yeah, so do this here, do that over here, and so on. As long as I can do that, I feel like that would be good. What if we do move yep. North. There we go. We don't actually need the space there. And How should we do that? If we take this function, I believe. Let me remove this. Okay, yeah, there's not a valid. What if we do a if statement here? Oh, hello. Yes, this is basically Python, but it's a game where you like control this drone and then you try to like make him do farming for you. I do have this little bit of code that I came up with, but I'm just trying to specify the movements. Oh yeah, this is basically a game for learning Python because you slowly unlock different like functions and stuff that you like do stuff with. For example, it being able to sense. This game is called. Let me. I think it's called The Farmer Was Replaced. Yeah, The Farmer Was Replaced. The game is called. I'm just trying to figure out how to specify a specific spot. There shouldn't be any code here. Maybe I'm doing this in the wrong order. Move. No. So that should do its thing. Let me do that. There we go. I love to see people when they program it. Makes me there must be a oh, I forgot the colon there. Thank you for the follow. There.
Joe Mama _so_ hot has entered the office.
I'm forgetting fast. Oh, more space. Cool. Not that much. Okay, so yeah, it can't move there anymore. Not many people come to my streams that often. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot bush. I have some bush code here for bushes. Clear. There we go. So it should move, yeah. So it moves north as long as it's either 1 or equal to 1, like below 1 or equal to 1. Now, how do we... So we want to make it move basically... Because I have like this code and it's like... I have it that it goes in sequence. It like harvests wheat, then plants trees, then plants carrots. But because my world size increased, I basically increased my world size. Now this entire code is broken. So what I'm trying to do is to be able to learn how to specify a specific section. Yeah, I do have loops, but the problem with that is that I want to specify, for example, do this loop 2 times instead of doing it 1 time. Yeah, I can define stuff, but I'm not really sure how to do that, which is the problem. Like, how would I make the just this part loop twice? Because like I wanted to do it like once and then go back to this loop until like it does this one like completes, and then it does this one more time, completes this one, and then just skips this one after that. which is the main thing that I want to do, basically. Yeah, I guess so. So I do have the for loop that it basically says like, okay, yeah, as long as you're in there, you thank you. I really like it as well. So we have like the basic movement, which is good. But actually, I should probably have some music in the background because just having it silent like this, it seems a little bit off-putting. Looking music. By the way, I have been trying to figure this out like for a couple of days, and I have still not had any luck. Let me lower the volume slightly myself, so I can actually think. Okay, so like I have so many things that I could do, but the thing is, I am bad at remembering stuff. So I probably already was shown like what to do. For example, when we had the expansion 2, okay, for loops. The for loop works in Python. Called a root loop. Some languages do not to be confused with whatever that is. For I in sequence. Yep. That. Similar to boss loops, for loops also repeatedly cause a block of code instead of looping based on the conditions. It executes the loop body once for each element in the sequence. A for loop looks like this. Yep, variable name, which we have. Yep, which is I in sequence, which is the range of the world size. So we have that. Variable name can be any name. Yep, that's fine. Range, sequence, range list, tupes. Example, to range harvest. Okay, this loop executes the body a fixed number of times. It is essentially the same as what if we put this as 2 instead, and we move it to the same as this one, so it's in the same body. Is that gonna work? No, it just moves it instead of doing it and then okay. So it calls harvest 5 times. Put the continue. Continue allows stopping in the current iteration of the loop and jump to the next iteration of the... Oh! Okay, this runs all 10 iterations of the loop, but the print statement after the continue is always skipped. This also works in whiles. If not can harvest, continue. This code only calls harvest when can harvest is true, but has the same effect. Okay. So the nested loop continue, but always affects the innermost loop. So continue will only do this one, and then it will do that one. Why would you just want to skip it? Then why would you include that to begin with? I feel like it has its own function in a way, but I don't think they included the correct explanation, basically. Maybe helpful to turn this idea into code base. I was doing all this wrong. Okay, what if we do it? Oh, sure. Let me remove this part. Okay, what if we do it like that? Okay, that's wrong. Let me do that. No, it just does it diagonally, which is not what we wanted to do. Yeah, okay, stop that. Let me copy that real quick. Paste. Probably. Sorry if this isn't very interesting and me just being confused. In a way, that this part worked in a way with the trees. But I don't feel that like that's right either. But that does give me the idea of like how I could do the trees, of like having them go in diagonally instead. If I want to, for example, have a single square, for example, let's say this 4x4 would be like trees, then this one would be wheat, this one would be carrots, and then this one would be like pumpkins and stuff. If we wanted to do it that way, I still need to figure out how to... You know what? What if I just steal some code? Or like check on YouTube. Okay. The farm list. Do we want to add by a area? Let me see. How do I... Okay, this person actually knows how to code, and I have no fucking idea what the hell half this stuff does. Wait, what if I'm doing, so this function here, for I in range, what if I need to change that to be a different one? So, for example, for this one, what if we do that one if it's 2? Can't assign a value. Ah, okay. So, okay. So my big brain move did not work. By the way, it seems like this game gets way bigger. Because apparently you can get like multiple drones at one point, which is pretty big. Let me see what they're doing. You can harvest, yeah. The fuck? Wait, so their wood code is like way bigger than mine. 103. What the fuck is Elif? Did I specify that anywhere? We have clear, we have grass. It seems like they have code for different things instead of like putting everything into one. Which is a good way of doing it, I guess. I feel like they overcomplicated pumpkin code though. Also, they aren't really doing the trees very efficiently. Oh no, they're subsequently doing it with bushes? They are. Okay. Okay. I think it's about time to start just making different code for the different ones instead of just focusing everything on one. Like, we do have some different things for it, but let's start with, let's say, wheat. Wheat. So we're going to have this wheat code, which is just going to be a whilst loop, true, colon that, and then we do for I in range of the world size. Get world size. That, and there we go. Then we check if we can harvest. Check if we can harvest. Then what do we want to do? Oh yeah, brackets. If we can harvest, then harvest, and then we want to oh, and then we want it to move north as well. Move no. There we go. and 4. Oh, in range. Let's do 1 and do that as move east. There we go. So that's gonna basically check if it can harvest it. It will harvest it. Then it will move north. And it will do that until it gets to the world's edge. Teleport back. And then it will do this one time. So it should just... Oh. Doesn't take any arguments. Wait, isn't that how I did it with the rest of them? Oh no, that is... Oh, that's random, not range. Right. And yeah, okay, cool. That's good. Now that should do its thing. There we go. So we have a wheat code here, which is good. That's the first code that we're going to have. Then we want a wood code, but because we have trees and bushes, that is going to be a bit more complicated. So let's add another one. Let's make this wood code because it's just going to be wood. It needs to be slightly different because we want it to be alternating instead. So let's obviously start with a whilst loop. True. Does it need to be true? I think the whilst loop only takes like true or false statements. Okay. So we want it to be alternating in a way. We could just make it go like sideways, which it could be a good thing. But I'm not sure how we would do that. So for I in range of, let's say, get world size as well. Okay, so we have that, which is like the base thing that we do. Then I want to do it where like it alternates, but I want to get a map of the world basically. So we do if what would be let me check that other person's code, what they were doing with the wood. Now they have that if can harvest, yep, that's fine. Get position X. Percentage. What is the percentage value anyway? Oh. Else. What does the else if command do? Let me check. Where are the... the statements. Not you. Functions. Oh. We do have a thing that does let us move like a specific amount. Result value. Okay, this is complicated. Well, this is actual coding, so of course it's going to be complicated. For loops, ranges. Range starts at 0 and step 1 generates a sequence of numbers starting at the start, ending at the or reaching end. Our end is executed using the step by step. Wait. What if I do this one as this? Will that do it properly this time? Let me clear this. Okay, no. That did not do it right. Okay. So what did we do wrong there? So we do... It checks that. Yep, it moves. Then it should move. But no, it skips it. 0 and 1, maybe? Maybe that will work. Okay, it moved. But no, then it goes on to the next code, which isn't the thing that we want. What if we make this one be like the same? Okay, this is gonna be complicated to do. Well, more like annoying than complicated, but it's fine. Okay, is that gonna do its thing? No, it still goes on to that one, which isn't the thing that we want to do. Clear. Okay. Goes there, yeah, just doesn't do it. Okay, so I'm doing something wrong there. Note that start is set at 0 by default, and if only one argument is given, it will begin to end. This isn't normally possible. Okay, so that didn't do what I thought it would do. Okay, back to just building code for each different thing, I guess. So for the trees, let me check what they were doing. Equals 0 and plant tree, else plant bush. Move north. Move east. Okay. Let me check some of the stuff. By the way, I am like fully new to this. I have no idea like what most of this stuff is myself. Like I've been trying to like learn it, but also it is complicated. Like more complicated than I ever actually thought it would be. I think this is the one? Yes, it is. So they were using that, the percentage right there. Is a module operation, also known as the remainder operation. It essentially divides the two numbers. I get what they were doing. So they were basically getting the... by the way, you can't see what I'm talking about, but I was looking at this, and they have like tree code over here. They have like get world size, percentage 2, and then if that equals 0, and that equals 0, then plant tree. Else if, I have no idea what the fuck else if is. Get that and that, and if that equals 1, that also plants a tree. So I'm guessing it takes it like every other one, like that. Basically any number that is divisible by 2, in a way. And if those equal a 1 and 1, then it plants a tree. So that's what I've been looking at. And now I finally understand what that means. Which also means that we could technically, if we ever specify if we learn how to specify a location, it can be useful in that sense. So if I'm just copying their code at this point, or at least trying to understand their code. Yeah. So if we get world size X, did I put that inside or on the outside? On the outside, yeah. These can't take arguments. Is percent, which is basically subtracts the number that you put in until you get like the final result. So percent 2 equals, you need to put 2 equals to basically say like it equals to it, like it's the same as it. Otherwise, if you just put 1, that becomes a like a completely different thing where you can specify like, oh yeah, this word means this thing. For example, like if I put tree, that equals 42, and then if I ever put tree anywhere else in the code, it will always reference that to the number, saying like, okay, yeah, so this word means this amount, equals 0, and get world size Y. Percent 2 equals 0. Plant. Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot to put a colon there. Plant entities dot tree. Okay, so let's see how this goes. And we also needed to move as well. Move. North. Move. East. Okay, let's see. Oh, why did his not just start moving sideways like that? Oh, because it wasn't there. There you go. Nope, that's wrong. Okay. Okay, we need to put a else if command in there as well. Okay, then we do that. Else if. So I'm presuming else if is basically just saying like if it's not the one at the top, check the one at the bottom as well. Like if it's either one. And then we basically do this, copy that, paste that, but turn these into ones instead. Maybe, yeah, maybe if I did this one over here instead. No, there's no space. Oh, if I just remove this one, that is. There's too much space there. I'm guessing I can't just do it up to this one. Oh, it does do it, so I don't need the... yeah, I don't need this. I just need to make sure it's in the correct spot. Which is at the start of this sequence. I got it. Okay. Well, we figured that out. That means there is less code and it is more optimized. Nice. Well, it's doing all that as pumpkins. It wasn't really supposed to do that, but I guess that works for now. I do need to plant carrots, though. Wait, why is this... Oh. That's because I specified that as pumpkins, not carrots. Carrots. There you go. It does alternate for some reason. I don't know why, though. It seems to be working fine for now. I'm getting plenty of carrots, at least. I'll just leave this running for a little bit, I guess. It works. But this one is what we want to do right now. So we have that one, which is good. Otherwise it moves east. What other functions did he have? We need to, before any of this, we can that. Else. Did I have a colon after that? There you go. Plant. Entity. Dot. Bush. And yeah, that should be good. Can we just move this back and then do that? That seems good. Okay. I wonder what the purpose of them putting it there is. Oh, and we need to add a harvest function. And harvest. Oh, no, don't need that. That harvest. There we go. And then, oh, I need to put that as a if function. If can harvest. Do that. There we go. And there we go. That should work now. If we, for example, do this, there must be a colon here. Really? Oh, there does need to be a colon there. Oh yeah, because it's a if function. Anything that has like if or anything like that needs to be like that. There you go. Okay, so that should do it. It's doing it in a bit of an awkward pattern, but it seems to be working. Yep, every other one is a tree and every other one is a bush. Nice! We have our tree code! And now I know the reason for using... My brain unlocked just now. Okay, so we basically now can make it so it does it like in a specific spot with the percentage by getting a final value basically. But that doesn't really give us like the full one. Because that obviously like does all of it, but I want to specify like a specific area for it. Let's unlock some more stuff. I think we have the resources for it. We can nearly upgrade that. Let's upgrade the carrots. And the wood. The water, I mean. They do have a thing of, like putting in the water for the bushes, because I haven't been using any water, as you can see. Okay, so we have wood code, we have, my main code is going to go to the side for now. So we have our wheat code, we have our wood code, which is nice. I learned something new as well, which is pretty good. I did not expect to like learn it all of a sudden like that, but I guess looking at what other people do does help. Also, I don't like how that is not even whatsoever. So redo that. There you go. Now it's gonna do it properly. I don't like it going like in the middle there and then just popping off to the other side. It was really annoying me. Okay. So the movement can go like over here for now. But it does look really nice, doesn't it? We are getting like a lot of wood from this. We do have sunflowers as well, but I haven't planted any of those just yet. Let's increase the pumpkins. We can increase the water, well, the fertilizer, which is nice. Okay. Next up is let's do let's say the carrots, because we do have like wood and stuff, but I want to do like some carrot stuff. Wait, I just realized that I somehow fucked this up in a sense that it does this one, it does this one, but then it does this one through the entire thing until it gets to the end. Because like when we were doing let's clear. It does that one, then does that one, and then does this entire thing. And then it moves on. What did I do there? So I range, get world size. Like it does it fine. I technically could just call this my carrot code and say good enough because it produces like everything else there. But okay, so does this and then it moves, but it keeps getting it until... Do I need this part? I get it. So this part is slightly over from here. So it does this until... Oh, that's why. I had this in the wrong place. Okay. I get it now. This is doing it from here. So this is the same as this one, and this one is below. So it's doing this entire thing once. Okay, I get it. Okay, so if we, for example, do this one like this. And do that. It should do, and we clear it. It should do the wheat, 2 rows. No, it doesn't. Okay, now it just does it the entire thing over. What if we... move all of this to be higher priority, then right, I forgot. Okay, it does those two, and then it refuses to move. Because obviously it sees that it can't do that. What if I make this entire thing a else statement? Else. Nope. This is not a valid. Come on. Yeah. So I do have the thing there, but it stops. So basically, I have it specified that if it's within that, then do this. Else. No, that's not gonna work. I need to somehow specify that this would be after the thing that I wanted to do. Hmm. Maybe I need to swap them around. So for example, do this one as just get world size. That's just how it is. Get world size. Do that. And then do this one as get X. No, I probably don't need that one then. If okay. So I need to make that as a if statement instead. If get world size, no, X is less than or equals to 1, do that. Yeah, I think that should work. Else do the thing behind it. Do that. There you go. That might work. Hopefully that works. And then do this one as there. That should... not a valid expression, really? Maybe I'm doing it in the wrong spot. How did I do the else statement? Okay, it has to be the same as the if statement. Oh, that's not fair enough. Got it. Yeah. Still saying that it's not valid. I'll come back to that. The main one doesn't really matter too much right now. Remove that one. It's just going to keep annoying me if it keeps showing that red text. Okay, minimize that for now. So we have our wood code, we have our pumpkin, well, we have our wheat code. We want to add our carrot code. Well, technically here the main code does work for carrots, where I do have this code for carrots right here, which also does work for the other stuff. Let me just add this as carrot code. There we go. And if we copy that and then put it here, and then put all this in a whilst loop. Whilst true. There you go. And then we add a colon there. And then what do we do? Oh yeah, we need to now redo all the sizes for this. And then we do this one in the 4 section. Is that correct? Oh, not enough space apparently. That's good. There you go. Oh, too much space. There you go. Okay, so that will do its entire thing. Oh yeah, I don't like, that's not even. There you go. So that's gonna prepare the ground first, and then gonna plant the carrots. Which is good. So carrot code technically does work. I would like to put in the function of like it checking for how many resources we have, but that can wait a little bit. We do have plenty of carrots right now. That does require more pumpkins here. 156,000. We need to run in the background for quite a while. Set speed. Leaderboard. Leaderboard run, leaderboard, hey file, speed run. Cost. Allows access to the cost. Auto unlock. All the carrots are doing fine. Oh, we got quite a few carrots now. Should we use some to upgrade something? Can I upgrade the pumpkins? I don't even know what this is. Maize. If get to entity type, that equals treasure? Harvest. Oh! The maze with treasure in the middle. Cactus. Wait, so with the maze we would need to figure out how to make it like actually move about? Horticulture. Polytype XY get compensation. Use compensation plans to increase the yield. Oh, that's the thing that says like, oh yeah, if you put multiple different types next to each other, you get more. Cactus. You get cactus. Mega farm. More drones. Dinosaurs. Something at 1 million dinosaurs killed apparently or something. Top hat. The top hat requires 100. Why does it require so many resources? 1 billion hay, 1 billion wood, 1 billion carrots. Oh no, 10 billion wood. 1 billion cacti and 100 million chests. Like, even the trophy doesn't require that much. Damn. That is really an achievement, like, for, like, your end game. But our carrot code is doing well. I do have my pumpkin code here, which is exactly the same as my carrot code. But we can just remove this one. And then just put that there. And there we go. Perfect. Okay. That does work. You know what I could do? Instead of having bushes here, we can just have hay, and that's it. Or carrots. We could do carrots too in between. But how would we specify like a different one? Because this already does like every other one. But I don't really understand how, like... Wait, what if we divide it by 3? Would that do, like, a different thing? Okay, I need to mess around with this wood code a little bit. Give me that. Do this. Give me the wood code. Put that here. What if we make this, instead of bushes, for example, or what if we just make it like carrots, but yeah, what if we copy over this, copy that, put that there, put that here, remove this part, and make this, instead of these trees, let's put that as 3 instead. Mm. Oh, we ran out of resources. Okay, let's get some wood. For now, wood will do us fine. Um, and then we do those all at 3. And then we do, what do we want to do? Let's say carrots? Wait, what if we do this one as hay? Grass. There we go. And then this one as carrot. Okay. Let's check if this works. In a way works? Can't really tell. Okay, so it does have that. That's only divisible by... Okay, it's only doing a couple. Which isn't the best. Okay, stop that. What if we do this one as carrots instead? Okay, so it does do more carrots, which is good. And there's a tree every other one, basically. Okay, we can remove this part, I think. So we have carrots, we have that. Else, plant entities. Pumpkins would probably not be the best because they need like a big area of their own. Entities, bush, probably. So with these ones, now we basically have them that they're doing it on the x-axis. Is it if it is a like one of those plant? Well, the hay doesn't really need to be planted, does it? If we reset this, basically, we could probably just remove the else command. Yeah, if we do that, we clear this and we do this. Oh, it can't plant the carrots, right? Of course it can't plant the carrots. It doesn't have any tilled soil. Let me run the carrot code real quick, just so it tills everything. And then we do that one. Control V, that, and that just do as grass. Okay. So we have every other one as grass. And some trees and some carrots. And basically every other one is carrots as well. Okay, I guess that works. But how would we specify, for example, these spots instead? What's this one? So that one's 5, that one's 7. So these are all the uneven ones. Oh, would we specify the uneven? We technically did with the 3. What if we just did 1? Oh. 1 could work in a way, but that would always come up with 0, wouldn't it? I guess that works for now. We're getting all the resources after all. Yep. That works for now. If I need all the resources, I can just run that. So we have carrot, we have pumpkin coat. We could have some sunflower code, but sunflowers only work in the sense of if you already have them, then you get them. Also, you need to check how many petals they have and stuff, which can be a bit complicated because you want to check every single flower and then pick the one that has the largest amount of petals and then do that, which is a bit complicated. And I'm currently a bit too stupid for that. The problem with being dumb and knowing that you are dumb is that you can't do anything about being dumb. But I did somewhat work it out. I understand this process now at least. Because this basically just subtracts 2 every single time until it gets the value of it. So, for example, when my brain just grew a little, so basically, this specifies that it has to be these ones. For example, when it checks that it has to be both. Both of these have to be true. So, for example, this one is 0 and 6. This one is 2 and 6. So it checks it that it would be each one is the same. So if we made it so that it would be just a singular one, for example, how would we say it? That, for example, only the x coordinate has to equal 0. That would make the that every other one would be the thing. Let me check this. So if we stop that, and where's that main thing that I was doing? This one. So this one where we changed it that it would be carrots and stuff. If, for example, we removed this one, and just made it that it would, oh yeah, equals, let's say 0. That would make it that would be the x coordinate would always be that. It would plant carrots. Oh, okay. Not exactly what I was going for. Oh, okay, so that removed it from these ones. Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't check the y coordinate anymore. I guess that works in a way. It looks a lot neater though. So yeah, because both these have to specify that saying like, okay, so it has to be both of these, otherwise it's not going to do it. Yeah, pretty neat. We have 100k wood now, which is pretty cool. We aren't really farming the pumpkins yet, but I can always do it that we do the pumpkins separately. We can improve the hay. Let's do that. I don't want to increase the farmland just yet. I feel like that would be... but wait, now our code technically is expandable, which is pretty good. Now, like, doesn't matter if we increase it, it should work. So if, for example, we run our pumpkin code, which just plants the pumpkins, I don't care if they rot or not, they're just going to combine later anyway, like that. Because, like, when you have multiple pumpkins together, they combine to become bigger. And if you harvest the big ones, then the entire thing goes and you get way more pumpkins for it. So for example, we already have like over 1,000 pumpkins, which is a good method of doing it. And also it can absorb the rotten pumpkins as well, which is good. As you can see, like it absorbed like a rotten pumpkin there. Oh yeah, and the big ones don't rot either, but the small ones do, which is a bit annoying. Especially seeing that you don't actually get anything back for the rotten ones. So I want to get 8k pumpkins, and then we can see how it happens when we get an even bigger farm, that is. That is a lot of rotten pumpkins. Oh, that is a mega big one. That is a 4x4. Damn. That gave us a bunch. I would like to incorporate these sunflowers into it, because what these sunflowers do is basically they give you extra energy, so the drone goes even faster when you do it, which is pretty cool. But to get the most energy, you need to check with the measure command each one of the like petals and see which one like has the most petals. Obviously there can be ones with more petals, or like multiple ones with the same amount of petals. So that one doesn't really matter. You can pick either one, but you basically need to check which one it is and then do it. And it does increase your power by 8. So it basically gives you times 8 speed. Which, as you can see, this one is moving pretty fast already, but imagine it just zooming across the entire thing. So if we could somehow specify a tiny patch of... That could be a thing. Like, if we can specify, for example, this one, we'll just have a single sunflower. And a big pumpkin, which is going to give us 260. Yeah, 216. Let me check what I can get. So we can get this one, which would improve it. There you go. You may have already noticed that sometimes plants yield more when planted together. Grass bushes, trees, and carrots yield more when they have the right plants. companions. Companions' preferences is different for each individual plant and carrot, and cannot be predicted. Fortunately, the companion preferences of the plants under the drone can be measured using the get companions. It results. Oh, it returns a tuple, where the first element is the type of plant it wants, as it as its companion, and the second element is the position where it wants its companion. Plant type XY get companion. Yep. For example, if you plant a bush and then call get companion, it will return something like entity type bush this. This means that this bush would like have carrots at the position that. So if you plant carrots there and then harvest the bush, it will yield more wood. The growth stage of the carrots doesn't matter. A plant companion preferences can be either anti-grass. Yep. Each plant chooses its this randomly, but it will always choose a different plant than itself. The position can also be position within 3 moves of the plant, except the position of the plant itself. If there is no plant under the drone that has a companion preference, will return as none. Before polycule is unlocked, the yield of multiple 5. The yield multiplier is 5. It doubles every time you upgrade it. Okay, so we need to somehow like get this and then have the plant basically see this, say like the drone, see this, and then say like, okay, so move there, plant this. But how do we make sure that this goes into it? I guess we could just go like random and do like the regular one. I don't feel like that would really benefit me. You know what? For now, let's unlock something else. Costs. You know what? Sure. I will learn by trial and error, and maybe copying some other people, but that can't be helped. I feel like a lot of coding is just people figuring something out and then another person copying what they already have. Any cost can be represented as a dictionary that maps items to numbers. The get costs function returns such a dictionary. It returns the cost of a plant or an unlock. Yep, that's fine. Return item carrot 1. Yep. For unlocks. Yep. I don't really know what function this would actually have. Like, why would you need to know the cost of things? I guess if you like have to have a specific thing, I think that's probably gonna go into this. Let's get cactuses next. I do have the resources for it after all. Like other plants, cacti can be grown on soil and harvested as usual. However, they come in various sizes and have a strange sense of order. If you harvest a fully grown cactus and all nearby cacti are in sorted order, it will also harvest all nearby cacti recursively. A cactus is considered to be a sort of a sorted order if all nearby cacti to the north and east are fully grown. The larger or equal in size, and all nearby cacti to the south and west are fully grown, and smaller or equal in size. The harvest will only spread if all adjacent cacti are fully grown and the sorted order. This means that if the square is grown cacti, it's sorted by size, and you harvest one cactus, will harvest the entire square. Okay, this is so much stuff. What the fuck is this? If the rows are already sorted, sorting the cacti will not sort the row. If you're not familiar with sorting, my brain hurts. Why did I unlock this? I have no idea what that means. Like, I had such a hard time just figuring this out, and so now I love puzzle games, but this is the type of puzzle game where it gives you too many rules. Just unlock this. Sure, it just gives you a command where you can unlock stuff from here. Well, we have this entire side unlocked. Get time, sure. What the fuck? Okay, ignore that. Just unlock all the basic shit and say sure. Oh, we are nearly out of carrots. You know what? Let's increase the size again. Okay, it's way bigger. Okay, what if we do this code? Okay, let's see how that goes, I guess. Oh, shit, I need to prepare the field, don't I? Let me do the carrot code first. So do the carrot code. Maybe I should have it as like it both harvests it and plants it, but tilling the soil I feel like is I think tilling the soil does break it. But anyway, let's do this. That should do its thing. It is interesting that you can plant grass on the tilled soil as well. It does work though, the entire thing. Which is interesting. Yeah, I feel like the drone isn't going fast enough at this point because it's like such a big space. Also, this looks such a mess. It is working though. well, we do have our main codes. We have our wheat code, we have our wood code, we have our carrot code and pumpkin code, which are basically the same. You just change the entity type. Let me pick up the thing. There we go. Then we have our main code that we did work on. And then some movement stuff. It does look nice though. Maybe I should be planting some more trees. Or maybe I should put some water on this stuff. But no, by the time that it gets back to it, it's already fully grown, so I don't really need that. Well, this was a fun little experience. I think we should play something else for a little bit. At least I learned something new, which I'm glad about. Save. There we go. My brain hurts a little bit after that. I feel like I want to play something a bit stupid. Something that I don't really need to think about very much. What do we want to do? You know what? Let's play some Megabunk. That should be good. How's everyone else's days going? Have you had a fun weekend so far? Okay, at least a fun start. For me, my weekend started with me going to work, so that was interesting. And then someone knocking on my window in the middle of the day, asking about a parcel for like one of my neighbors. So I had to go outside and just tell them to put it in the bike shed that we have. I haven't played Megabunk in quite a bit, so let's play. Let's do this one. Let's see if we can actually beat the second tier. Skeleton. Okay, where are the... There's the goblins. Fire goblins. I do really love the music from the Megabunk. It's like so good. Slice tome? You know what? Sure, let's try that. I don't know what the size will do, but maybe it increases the size of like my projectiles or something. Could be. Bone. Oh, but I want the gun as well. You know what? Let's get the bone. Ah. Oh, shield. I'll pick that. Let's take this. Projectile count. Yay, I love the projectile count. But we should probably find some other things. Oh, like that. I need that. Ooh, speed upgrade. Let's... Ooh, projectile count. I'll increase that. No. Gold... Armor tome? I'll increase my size again. I don't know what that does, but it seems interesting. The bigger goblins are bad. You know what? Let's increase our difficulty. Sure. Projectile count. You know what? Yes, I'll take that one. Oh, there's a chest down there. Some luck, that will do. Okay, let's go around and see what we can find. We need a health upgrade. It would be a bit early to use that. Let's get these two. Let's get both of them at the same time, I guess. Entity spawn increase. Do we want the... I don't think we want that. Let's get that one. And lifesteal, movement speed, extra jump. I'll pick an extra jump. I'll take the bow. Let's get the rest of that. The gun. I like the gun. Yep. There you go. We should be able to start doing some more damage. I'll take extra for that. I really need a way to heal though. Oh, we found the boss area. That's good. I might want to stick around here for a little bit. Let's increase the difficulty. Yes, increase that. Evasion. Power multiplier increases the power of the power perfect. Yes, take that. Yep. Take you. Take you. Is there another magnet upgrade somewhere? Take that. Let's do some elite ones. Might as well get the chest after that. Oh, there's a boss. Need to be careful with that. Oh, you know what? I might get the bow. Yeah, let's get the bow. Where is that boss? Oh, it's over there. Oh, crap. They're starting to die. That's not good. Okay, good. I really need some way to heal. Come on, give me a campfire. No. I'll take the projectile count. Let me go get the magnet. Because there was a magnet in this direction, I remember. Not that one, this one. There you go. No! We were so close! That was such a good run. Well, anyway, let's carry on. Like, we had all the good stuff. One more run. Confirm. Get that real quick. Start getting those off right off the bat. Jump height, projectile speed. Let's take jump height. Oh, we have the boss right over there already. Okay. I'm a bit surprised that it's right there. Increase critical chance. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, they're spawning elites right now? I'll take the gun. Gun is always good. Yep, that's good. Let's increase gun. XP gain. Power multiplier. Get some money. We don't have enough enemies for the money one just yet, technically, but I guess it works. Projectile speed. Sure, let's go with projectile speed. Oh, we got hit already. Oh, there's an active upgrade. luck. Yeah, let's get some luck. I'll get the magnet. So I should level up a couple of times. Projectile count, I'll take that. Lightning? We don't need to aim with it after all. No, I'll take the gun. I wonder if increasing the difficulty gives you more experience. That could be the case. You know what? Yeah, let's take the lightning. We're basically doing the no aim build. Where we're not even gonna aim at anything. Well, we do know where the enemies, well, the boss is, so we can explore a little bit. Oh, shopkeeper. Hello. Chance upon hitting an enemy to create a giant blast of damage and knock enemies away. Oh, that would be good. Attacks have a 20% chance to explode. Okay, I'm gonna save up a little bit. We're like really close to it, so I'll keep that health there because I will need it eventually. I'm waiting for that swarm to come by. Because there will be a swarm soon. Okay. I think we should almost have enough for it. Yes, gun. How much more do I need for it? Yes, I can. Nice. Okay, yeah, that was such good damage. Okay, I think I can go after the actual boss now. I think that would be a good idea. Yep, let's increase our projectile count for now. What's this? Can't use the microwave. Let me get this one. Pickup range? Yep, I'll take that. Let's see this one. Golems. That could be a problem. Okay, that's one golem down. There we go. Good. Let's increase the damage of the lightning. More damage to enemies. Cool. Get this one. Oh, there's a swarm. Oh, okay. Nice. At least I have the good one that more damage. We'll take that. So we can kill them faster. Oh, magnet. Yes, time to level up a bunch. Take that. Take that. Take that. Yep, take this. Projectile speed, sure. Yep, take this. There's so much experience here. Let me increase the projectile count now. Okay, I think it's about time to go to the boss. I think we're about strong enough. Projectile count? Yep, I'll take that. And we do have a bit of health next to it, just in case we need it. Okay. Eat. Let's begin. Kill that thing. Yes, we're gonna kill it so fast. Projectile count? Yep. Increase that. We are so fast! I should have gotten the speed book instead, so we could go even faster than we do. We are doing well though. Oh, we are starting to die a little bit. Oh, that's bad. Yep, let's get that. Beat the first stage. Oh, nice. Oh yes, let's take that. Okay, time to go. We're just waiting for all the money to come by. Oh, leave right now. Next stage. Ooh, who's that? Oh, it's the bush. Okay, the bush is a boss. I would like to try and fight it. We just basically need to not let it catch us or do that, apparently. Because you do get an achievement for beating the bush. Maybe I should have leveled up a little bit before I did that. Oh, it one-shot me. The fuck? Why is the bush so strong? Well, we got a new record at least. And this, defeat the first stage boss in under 6 minutes. Nice. Quests. In acid calming. And we got a quest for completing 25 quests. Ooh, this. Carry more tomes. Oh, not enough money. But yeah, we will be getting this immediately when we get the chance. Okay, okay. Do I want to unlock the hat? We do have a few things that we can unlock here. We're still missing a couple of tones, it seems. With Aegis. We do still have a lot of characters to unlock. Get the damage tome up to level 7. Get the Thorns tome up to level 9. Complete Forest Stage 2. We have not done that yet. Complete 2 challenges. That's the bush. Find and defeat bush in the forest. So it becomes a playable character. Okay. That's just a dude with a square head. Kill Spooky Steve. Spooky Steve. This one does look really cool though. Okay. Rainbow Skeleton. Yes. We are getting the Rainbow Skeleton. He looks so fabulous. Nice. Okay. One more run. Okay. I want to try and upgrade a single thing as much as I can. Okay. Ice Tome, fire. Let's get the fire one. For more damage right off the bat isn't bad. Silver Tome! Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get that. We are gonna need that. There we go. Let's fight some of these enemies. If they didn't spawn in the ground or something. Projectile speed. You know what? Let's increase our armor. I haven't tried the armor tome yet. Oh, that's where they are. Where the hell were you this entire time? Also, why are you walking on each other? Like, where the hell were they this entire time? I'm guessing up top there? Oh, that's an elite enemy. Damage, speed, damage. Let's get the gun. Okay, these are some strong enemies. We're about to... Yeah, that is bad. Get that. I do want to increase my silver gain as much as I can. So I'm gonna wait until like I get some better stuff for the silver. Yep, take that. Why is this run going so badly compared to like the rest that I was doing? Oh yes, take that. A can of beans. Why is the rainbow skin betraying me and making it harder? Let's increase our damage a little bit. Pick a brain, sure. Ooh, you. I need you. Yes, take that. Take the shield. And out. Time to level up a bunch. More armor. I'll take that. I wonder what 100% armor does. Does it just reduce damage to 0? That would be interesting if it did that. Okay, critical... both pretty good. Let's increase the damage of the bone. Oh, there's the boss. Okay. Oop, there you go. Okay, where did that other boss appear from? I don't even see it. Oh, no. Oh, damn, that's... Okay, they're doing a lot of damage. I'm so glad that I took the armor, but I'm so bad at this. Jump height upon hitting an enemy. Clap their cheeks. Yep, sure. Let's do that one. I'm about to run into that, aren't I? Yeah, that was close. Where is that boss? I can't see it anywhere. Oh, there it is. Let's kill it as quickly as we can. Why is it gold now? Oh, I'm so shit Dead. No. Well, it was a poor run to begin with, but yeah. What you gonna do? Well, we played some games that, you know, I didn't need to think about. Oh, that was nice. What else should we do? There you go. There are like so many games that I have on my backlog that I just haven't played in a while. Should we do the College of Winterhold quest? You know what? Yeah, let's do the College of Winterhold quest in Skyrim. And then we're gonna do something else after that. Not sure what, but something. There you go. It has been 2 hours of streaming now. By the way, I will try to like do the entire thing, just trying to use as many spells as possible. So we're gonna like just go for spells. Where are we? I have no idea. Okay, so there are two things that we could do. We could either do the College of Winterhold quest, or we could do the Assassin's Guild quest, which is pretty good too. I need to get some spells first, I think. Let's go... No, not there. There. Let's go buy some spells. There's a dragon in here. There always is. Okay, where is the wizard? Wizard, I need your assistance. I need to buy some books from you.
Come to Dragon's Reach to discuss the ongoing hostilities.
What have you got for sale?
So, you wish to master the arcane arts.
Okay, let's get some books. Create a magical battle axe. I don't think we really need that. Create a magic sword. I wonder how much damage it does. Creatures and people up to level 9 won't fight. We could do that. Creatures, oh, creates a hovering light that lasts 60 seconds. Candlelight. Shows the path to the current goal. I don't know how many people actually use that. Summon a familiar for 30 seconds wherever the caster is pointing. That could be good. Yeah, I'll take this one. Someone's a Flame Atronak. I want that, yeah. Targets want flee, heal the caster, Bastille. Yeah, I'll take that. By the way, I do have nearly 10k gold. Cast a nearby surface, it explodes for 50 points of fire damage. Fire rune. Firebolt. Flame. I don't think I have these two. Let me get these. Frost rune and frostbite. Healing hand. A spike of ice that does 25% points of damage to health and stamina. Lesser ward. A bolt of lightning. Let's get the ice spike. Lightning bolt, lightning rune, mage light. A ball of light that lasts 60 seconds and sticks with its strikes. Muffle. I want this. Yes. So much better for our stealth. Roommate, a weak... reanimate a weak dead body to fight for you. I'll take that too. Reanimate a more powerful dead body. If target dies within 60 seconds. Oh, yes, we need that. Lighting that does 8 points of damage. Increases armor rating by 60 points. And negates up to 6 points of spell damage. Improves the caster's armor rating by 60 points for 60 seconds. Stoneflesh. I'll take that. And Lesser Undead. Undead up to level 6, Flee. Okay, I think I got the spells that I want. Oh, we don't need that one. Okay.
Oh, if you've got the aptitude, you should join the Mages College in Winterhold.
That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So, now on our spells list, destruction spells. Okay, apparently how much magicka do I have? Because I have not been upgrading that whatsoever. Frostbite. I'm not sure if I can even cast that. Conjuration. I do know that there is a specific spell that basically has a thing where it uses 3 different elements at the same time. I don't know where it is though. Well, let's go to the College of Winterhold and start doing their quest. There's probably a dragon here, isn't there? Well, where's it gonna go? The gates open. Okay. Well, I want to check my quest log. Find the Elven Mage. Star. Oh, that's a data quest. Bring. I have no idea what the fuck that is. Dawn Guard. Give the lexicon to... What's this? First lesson. Oh, this. There we go. Hello.
Welcome to the college.
I was told to come see you.
Another new student. I'm surprised at how many of you there are.
Could you
lately.
turn around and actually
Well,
face me?
First you'll need these. While you're not required to wear them, you may find them more to your liking than your current clothes. I'll give you a brief tour and then we'll get you to your first class. Are you ready to begin?
Oh, they gave me that stuff. I won't need that stuff. I'd love to have a look around. Sorry, I'm not really ready for that. Yes, I'd like
Wonderful.
to have a look
Please
around.
follow me and don't wander off. The College of Winterhold has been a fixture in Skyrim for thousands of years. The prominent feature here is the Hall of the Elements. It's our primary location for lectures, practice sessions, and general meetings. The Arcanium is located above the hall, and the Archmage's quarters above that. While technically in charge of the college, the Archmage's responsibilities often keep him occupied. Thus,
Wait.
I run the day-to-day operations. Now, if you'll please follow me, I'll show you the living quarters. Unfortunately, we've had to implement more stringent entry procedures due to some problems with the local Nords. We don't anticipate any real violence, but it never hurts to be prepared.
Wonder what she has in her inventory. Wait, am I still wearing... Yes, I'm still wearing my Nightingale armor. I still have my Dwarven bow, even though I did get the Nightingale bow. Oh, I need to de-enchant some of this stuff. Nightingale bow. Also, why is it half used? I didn't even use it yet. I'm carrying quite a bit. I should probably put the stuff away in my house. You know what? Yeah, let's quickly go back to our house. Put some of the stuff away. So the stuff that I don't need, that is. Hello.
I've been
What do
looking
you
for
have for me?
Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only. Let's see here. There's a new museum opening up in Dawnstar. The owner is asking me to hand out invitations to travelers. Looks like that's it. Got to go.
Okay. Wait, were you just coming out of my house? Okay. Oh. Apparently that's stolen. What was that? What? Oh. Yeah, I know why those are stolen. That is quite a lot of stolen goods that I have. Well, I'm guessing just one of the items is stolen, and it's just counting all of them as stolen instead. Which shouldn't be the case. I should probably sell all the stolen stuff anyway. Okay, so let's put away. We can put away the daggers. I don't need the greatsword either. Mace? The mace does do more damage. I might keep the mace. One-handed sword. Elven sword. Can put that away. Put this away. We don't really need a dagger. Nightingale bow. I'm gonna put that up somewhere so it's nice and displayed. Because we do have some display areas. Oh, Lydia, darling, could I have you move? For example, we have the Nightingale sword right here. We have a book here. No, I don't need to take the shield. Is there no other spot where I can put decorations? Oh, there's a place right here. Oh, nope, not the... that one. I want to equip the Nightingale bow. And then add that one to there. There we go. Nice. Alchemy. Oh, wait. Why do we have a Daedra heart in here? That seems a bit random to just have that there. I should probably keep all my books in here. There we go. Ingredients. Ingredients I can probably just chuck in here. We do have quite a few of them. I do keep collecting everything around me. And there we go. These, I have one. Some scrolls. We could sell those scrolls. Why did I keep everything else? Oh, wait, we can put some swords over here. But for now, let's put the useless potions away. Put you away, put you away, put you away. Anything else? We don't really need to increase our car capacity. I'll keep that one just in case I want that. And okay. Food. Food can stay with us. We can always eat it. Let's go. Oh, she went inside. We sort of did skip the tour. But I want it to be nice and light. Oh, apparently we still have like a bunch of stuff. Oh, probably because my appearance items. Yeah, why do I have this? Lydia, darling, I need you to carry some stuff. Trade some items.
I am at your command.
Appearance. You can take these boots. You can take this tiara, these boots, this hood, that hood, and this necklace. I still don't know why I weigh so much. That bow only weighs 10 pounds. 17 pounds for an elven mace. Potions. We do have a lot of potions. Rolls, they basically don't weigh anything. Ooh. That doesn't really... Oh. Probably because I'm carrying half a bloody dragon in here. Okay, yeah, we need to go back home again.
Get going then.
I completely forgot about the misc items. How did I forget about the misc items? Let's go. There you go. And let's put that in here. There you go. Sphere. The dragon stuff away. Cube. Put you away. Oh, yeah, the eye. Where the hell do I need to return it? Oh, I probably need to sell it. Value of 2,500. I'll drop that. Why does that weigh 5? The pelvis, can't drop that. Oh, okay, why are these two separate? That's literally 10 pounds just between the two of them. Hey, why do I have multiple cubes that I can't put away? Can't put that away either. Wooden plate. Okay, so we did lose some more weight, but damn, that's annoying.
Got some good pieces out here if you're looking to buy. More inside. I don't claim... plenty. I'd say we're prosperous. The city's ruled by the yacht, but you're probably more interested in your Vasker.
Why
Mead Hall of
are you...
Companions. Their deeds of war and valor are
Whatever.
legendary.
I was gonna say, like, why are you offering to sell me stuff if you're not gonna sell me stuff? You know what? Let me go through the Thieves Guild real quick. I need to do some stuff in there. Like, for example, put some of the stuff away, hopefully. And there we go.
Oh.
Hello. Hi.
It's good to see you in one piece, lass. I just wanted to give you a proper thank you for everything you've done. The guild is back on its feet again, and on its way to a prosperous future. What's become of the skeleton key?
It's been returned.
That's it then. After all those years of helplessly watching the guild decline. But enough of that. I'm confident that with you in charge, we'll soon have more gold than we could possibly spend.
So, where will we
I'll be down here, trying to coordinate everything with Delvin and Vex, to make sure the coin keeps flowing, and no one skims. If you still feel like doing some jobs, I'm sure Delvin and Vex have more than their fair share to give out. Either way, it's been a pleasure, my friend. Here's to the future of the guild. May it last another 1,000 years.
Okay. So what do I... Wondering what I do with the copies. Let me check my quest log. Watch Winterhold. Blue Palace. Nope. And the Elf Mage from one. By the way, I do like the different patterns that they have, which is pretty cool because it's like different depending on like what quest line you're doing. For example, this is the colleges one. These ones I believe are the Daedric ones. This is the Thieves Guild one. You can see the lockpick there, so you can tell immediately what it is. That is the Dragonborn. Return the eyes of... oh, that one. So I guess we should do that one.
Oh.
I'm guessing he will want eyes and stuff.
Still have quite a good bit of jobs available, if you're looking for some extra coin.
Can I sell the Dwarven puzzle cube to you?
Well, I was looking for this little beauty. If you happen across any other unusual trinkets like this, be sure to bring them to me.
I'm guessing he's gonna give me
I promise
300
it'll be
gold.
worth the effort. It's worth quite a bit, actually. Quite a catch. There you go. It should make you smile.
400 gold. He gave me 100 extra gold. I managed to recover the an eye.
Well. I was looking
It costs
for this little beauty.
2,500. Are
If
you gonna
happen
give me
across
that
any other
much?
unusual trinkets like this, be sure to bring them to me. I promise it'll be worth the effort. By the 8, you actually got your hands on it. This alone is worth more than some thieves earn in a lifetime.
Really? Okay, you gave me like half the price. Okay. Wait. I just realized he only gave me 800 per eye. He scammed me.
Find me if you're ever looking for some extra coin.
Okay, let's go and check if the eyes are now over here. Because if they are, I'll just bloody steal them back. Well, that's one of the eyes. What about the other eye? Is it still in my inventory? Yep. Can I just go and give it to him as well?
Need some gold. Got lots of jobs available. Interested?
No.
What's the matter? Afraid of getting your hands dirty?
What's going on between you and Bridger?
How? Where the hell do I put? Can I just chuck it out? Oh, I can apparently. So this one is just there. Okay. So why is it only the left eye that is? That's just there now. Why does it do on the other eye though? So he did give me, he basically took 900 for himself. Okay, okay, got that. Well, let's get out of here. I keep being distracted.
Oh.
Where do we... Oh yeah, we want to go back home and put the eye away because we don't need the eye.
There's a nip in the air. Cold won't be good for my crops. Never is.
Who the fuck are you? Put the eye in here. There we go. Nice. But I do wonder why he only took the one. I can always take back the items. Well, anyway, let's get on with the College of Winterhold quest. And enough sidetracking because I keep going like back and forth everywhere. There we go. Oh yeah, I did say that I want to use magic. Conjuration. Flame Atronach. Let's take that and for destruction. Firebolt? Sure. Wait, I wanted conjuration spell of Fire Atronach. Okay, no, let's put that onto the left and then this one onto the, not the right, onto the right. There we go. Hello.
I have many important.
I do want to... There you go.
Your concerns are not.
Oh. I wonder why she went into here. Ah, there she is.
Now I'll show you to
Oh,
your
yeah, this is
quarters.
the bedrooms.
You're going to be sharing space with your fellow apprentices, who you'll meet shortly. This is where you'll be staying. This bed and desk are yours. Please try and be considerate of others. Now, let's go back to the Hall of the Elements, where most of the members gather for lectures and study sessions.
Okay. Ooh, some gold. And fancy clothes. I wonder who was living here before. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, let me put away my hands.
Initially, you'll be learning from Tolfdir, one of our most esteemed wizards.
Why does she move like slightly faster than my like slow walking speed? I don't get why they make NPCs like that. They like, I feel like they should just match their speed to your speed instead of you having to try and match your speed to theirs. I wonder if she can move any faster than this. Do you think if I punch her in the head?
The new apprentices. Go on in, and if you have any problems, let one of our senior members know.
Okay, we can finally move properly.
You look a bit peaked. You sure you shouldn't be home in bed?
Who are you? Who the fuck are you? I have no idea who any of these people are. I have not played this in a very long time.
Welcome. We were just beginning. Please, stay and listen. So, as I was saying, the first thing to understand is that magic is, by its very nature, volatile and dangerous. Unless you can control it, it can and will destroy you.
Sir, I think we all understand that fairly well.
Not for everyone.
We wouldn't be here if we couldn't control magic.
Of course, my dear, of course. You all certainly possess some inherent natural ability. That much is not being questioned. What I'm talking about is true control, mastery of magic. It takes years, if not decades, of practice and study.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Please, please. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Eagerness must be tempered with caution, or else disaster is inevitable.
But we've only just arrived here. You've no idea what any of us are capable of.
That is true.
That gives a chance to show you what we can do.
You've been quiet so far. What do you think we should do?
I'm not really sure what to think. I think we should learn something practical. Safety should be more important than anything.
Well, your classmates certainly seem to disagree with you.
No, don't listen to her. We can do it. Just give us a chance.
All right, let's settle down. I suppose we can try something practical. In continuing with our theme of safety, we'll start with wards. Wards are protective spells that block magic. I'll teach you all a ward, and we'll see if you can successfully use it to block spells, all right? Would you mind helping me with the demonstration?
Sure thing.
Are you at all familiar with ward spells?
I have a ward spell, but I've never really used it. I already know it, and I'm already in. Oh wait, so I do have a ward spell.
Perfect time to try it out. Now, if you'll just stand right over there, I'll cast a spell at you, and you block it with the ward. Here we go.
Okay, guess I need conjuration? No, not restoration. That's a ward.
There, please, just opposite me. Wouldn't want anyone else in the way. Now, cast the ward spell and keep it up. You have to keep your ward up, or else this won't work. I don't want to hurt you.
Nope.
Over there, please, just opposite me. Wouldn't want anyone else in the way. Now, cast the ward spell and keep it up.
I need my magicka to recharge real quick.
Hold still.
I tried. This apparently uses a lot of magicka, and I don't have that much. I just need to wait for it to recharge again. You know what? I'm just gonna use a potion. I have like so many of them. Might as well. And I don't really use the these ones often enough. Come on. Do your thing. Come on. Okay, Lydia, darling.
I've got your back.
I need you to do something.
All right. What is it? What do you need?
I need you to wait over here.
Okay, got it.
Or else this won't work.
There you go.
Hurt you. Over there, please, just opposite me.
Anything
Wouldn't want
else?
anyone else in the way. Now, hold still.
There you go.
Excellent work. Well, I think this is an excellent start. I'd like you all to continue practicing with wards, please. I think perhaps we're ready to begin exploring some of the various applications of magic. The college has undertaken a fascinating excavation in the ruins of Sarthal nearby.
Excavation.
Excellent learning opportunity. I suggest we meet there in a few hours and see what awaits us inside. That's all for now. Thank you.
Okay. Lydia, you follow me.
As you will, my Thane. I will protect you with my life.
Okay, let's go.
I have many important things to do.
Time to go to the mines.
Are you quite sure?
Magicka. I believe I had a conjuration spell. This one. There you go. Now, where is this mine? Oh, over here. Oh, I guess we can go from here then. There is a lighthouse over there. I should probably have fire spells in this area. Oh, that's a fucking bear. Play Matrimac, go! Ah, fuck. Oh, the fuck! It killed it instantly. And why is this spell so expensive? I'm just trying to run away from the fucking bear. Also, why is my Magicka region so slow? I can barely like use any spells. Oh, it seems like Lydia is just gonna kill it. Yep, Lydia's just killing it. Didn't really get much of a chance to use the spells. Also, it seems like the the spells do not match the levels. Wait, did I ever leave that there? It doesn't matter. How do we... that way. That seriously didn't kill the goat. There we go. It does cost quite a bit of magicka. I don't feel like it does enough the moves. Play Matrimac, go! Come on, do the killing. Oh, it ran away. Oh, that's another fucking bear! Lydia! Darling, where are you? Ah, fuck! Play Matrimac, please kill it. Why are there so many... Oh, how the fuck did I miss with that? I know I have a lot of armor, but damn. Oh, that guy's dead at least. Oh, Lydia's doing her job. Finally. Ah, but I'm dying still. Why is the bear so hard to kill? Oh, fuck. It's right there. Potions. And give me a magic potion. Oh, run away. Lydia, you deal with this. Let me switch to a cheaper spell. There we go. Oh, we definitely need to increase our spell power. Well, I guess this is why we're doing the quest after all. So we have an excuse to use magic. Oh, big cliff. Go down this way. And that works. Oh. Oh, that did a lot of damage. Oh, that nearly killed me. Some pots. Oh, let's check out what's down here. Oh. Some beds and stuff. They have been excavating some stuff. An axe, some gold, and an iron ingot. Oh, how are you here already? Are we the only ones here?
And good to see Skyrim still has such fine people. You give an old man hope. Take a look.
He has one staff, some robes, some scrolls, a couple of magic books. Improves the caster's armor rating. It's just the armor rating ones. You really don't have much for sale for the Guildmaster. Well, not Guildmaster, the College Head. I'm ready.
All right. Please stay close to me while we're inside. It should be safe, but it's always better to be cautious.
Okay. I wonder who she is. And where are the other guys? Oh, there they are.
I find it hard to believe this excavation.
Some of you may know, Sarthor.
You know, there might be gold somewhere in here.
Gentleman.
Was also the largest. Sacked by the elves in the infamous Night of Tears, not much is known about what happened to Sarthor.
He's like going slightly faster than a
opportunity for us. Well, are there any questions before we begin?
Is there an elfin mage here at
Studies stars, you say? Why, there hasn't been a mage doing anything related to stars since... Oh.
What is it? What happened?
Well, it's a minor stain on the college's reputation. One of many, unfortunately. You should head to the Frozen Hearth and speak with Nelakar. It's his story to tell.
Oh.
And I wouldn't want to discredit him by talking behind his back.
Okay, that's interesting. What is so important about this place?
We're particularly interested in the prevalence of magical seals placed on the tombs here. It's rather unlike anything we've encountered. I can certainly share a bit of what I know.
Ah, so that's why he has the books. Yeah, let's try it. There we go. Does anyone see? Yes, people still see. He sees. Let me quick save. There you go. Come on, stop looking at me.
This is exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, I am in the light.
This is exciting, isn't it?
Lydia, darling, please be quiet. There you go. Okay, so she has a single book and a staff that I cannot steal. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go.
Please be careful here.
I don't have any more questions.
Ah, yes. Well, why don't you see if you can assist Arniel Gain? He's one of our scholars, here working on cataloging our finds.
What does she
expect
see
he'd
from that?
appreciate some help in locating any additional magical artifacts here in the ruins. Any enchanted items will do. The usefulness of the enchantment is irrelevant. If you find anything, the class can look it over. Now let's see. What shall we have the rest of you do? Berlina, my dear, why don't you search for boarding matters? Anything designed to keep
You can do something. I'm gonna carry on with the quest. He is very deep in the mine here. Hello. I was told to assist you.
Forever to sit through all this.
Send me to help you.
What? Ah, yes, you. I remember you. You're going to help? That's fine. Just don't make a mess of my work.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
only looked through a portion of this section. You can look around in the chambers just north of here. Try and be careful, all right? We don't want to damage anything.
Okay.
All right then.
Oh, we got one of the amulets. So what do we do now? We're sort of locked in here. We got something else here. I don't know what. Can we put the necklace back? Or do we need to wear it?
Do you see that? Some kind of resonance. You and the wall. It must be connected to the amulet. I wonder what effect might your spells have.
Oh! Okay. You just destroy it. Nice. There's just a human skull here. It seemed like they were trying to mine from the other side. What do we do with this? Oh. How did you get in here?
Why in the world would this be sealed off? What is this place?
There's some burnt books here. And
I do
apparently...
hope you know what you're doing with those flames.
Oh, hello.
Hold, mage, and listen well. Know that you have set in motion a chain of events that cannot be stopped. Judgment has not been passed, as you had no way of knowing. Judgment will be passed on your actions to come, and how you deal with the dangers ahead of you.
Who are you?
This warning is passed to you because the Psijic Order believes in you.
Narian.
You, mage, and you alone have the potential to prevent disaster. Take great care and know that the Order is watching.
I don't know who the...
I swear I felt something rather strange.
Oh yes, there was.
What just happened?
Some sort of ghost or apparition appeared. It spoke to me.
I didn't see anything. Can you tell me more about what you saw?
Yes. It said something about danger ahead and a whatever that order is. Psijic order.
Are
There you
you
go.
quite sure about that? That's very odd. And danger ahead? Why, that doesn't make any sense at all. The Psijics have no connection to these ruins, and no one's seen any of their order in a long time. Perhaps we should take a look inside these coffins. Now, please do be careful. Who knows what we're going to find?
Okay. Who
So you wish to master the arcane arts?
is the
They were
order?
a group of mages with a history that predates the Empire. Very powerful, very secretive. No one's seen them in well over 100 years. They've vanished, along with their sanctuary on the Isle of Artaeum. I have no idea what connection they'd have to this place. I have no idea, but it's fascinating.
Every single thing that he says is like, I have no idea. Like, this is fascinating. I have no idea what's happening.
And yet now, suddenly, they've chosen to contact you. Why, it's intriguing. If nothing else, I'd take it as a compliment. The Psijics have only ever dealt with those they feel worthy.
Tofte, what use are you to me if you can't even answer the basic questions?
Never should have come.
Ah! Oh, nice. There we go. Mummy. There probably are traps around here. Oh, or not. Oh, time for more, guys. Where's my Atronach? Oh, there it is. How much damage have I taken? Not much. Come on, die, you Droga. Nice. I'll take the arrows. Oh, that one's open.
I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this in Nordic ruins before. Look at all these coffins. This bears closer inspection.
You keep saying that, but
you, however, should press on.
Some more gold. More gold. I do know that the spells can't do any sneak damage. So, might as well just go full in. Lydia's probably going to do most of the work, isn't she? Ah, the fuck? That did like half my health. Oh, sorry, Lydia. Didn't mean to hurt you. Oh, there's a big guy. And he can fire arrows? Of course he can. Ruby. And that. I should probably use some of my shouts as well. Knight's Eye. Let's get... Cool Dragon. Clear Skies. Dragon Rend. I do have quite a few spells here. Throw Voice is hard, but it's also unknown. Pulling those into burst, seeking it out. Oh, so that's a distraction thing. When the hell did I get this? Your voice soothes wild beasts. You lose their desire to fight. I do have 4 souls that I can use. Which is pretty cool. Hmm. Disarm. Shout defies steel as you rip the weapon from your opponent's grasp. Ooh. Okay, I want that one. Oh, yeah. There you go. I think I want to get this one as well because it seems very interesting. We can always kill some more dragons later. I want to use this one. Draugrs are too powerful. Okay. No, Lydia! Get away. Visions. Let's use... There you go. Hi, Knack, do your thing. Get our light armor increased, which is good at least. Oh, no. Level up. I'm gonna increase my magicka a little bit. I feel like that's gonna be useful. Do we want to increase our destruction spells? Casting novice attack spells is half. Ooh, half the magicka. Wait, if it halves it every time, or is it just the one time? Dual casting destruction spells overcharges the effect into an even more powerful version. Oh yeah, that costs like so... No! I accidentally killed Lydia! Lydia, no! No! Okay. Load. By the way, you can kill your companions, but you are the one who has to, you know, do the damage, that is. That's bad. And after I leveled up as well... Ah, shit. Forgot about that one. Thank you, Lydia. Should probably summon my Atronak now. Oh, sorry, Lydia. Need to do your own stuff. Hit me. Not you. There you go. That's one down. Okay, that guy is dead. Oh, we got a flawless gem from that. Now let me increase my skill a little bit. Not skill. Restore my magicka. There you go. You do your thing. Yes, we killed it so much faster now. There we go. Now, quick save before Lydia dies. This way. I do hear a rumbling. Money. Chest. Imperial helmet, really? Oh, there's a pressure plate there. Lydia's probably gonna step on it. Yep, she is. Conjuration! Yay. Oh, damn it. Kroger White. Oh, that does so much damage. Why is my Atlantic lady? Oh, she's up there. Nice. Yay! Back shot. No real use to me. Ooh, this guy died at some point. I wish this were just skeletons instead. Would be way better. Oh. Why do you keep the combination on, like, the back of where it is? Like, who are these puzzles for exactly? Oh. That one's time ran out. There we go. And the whale and the eagle. And there we go. Okay. Oh, big guy. Death Lord. Why is there a guy called a Death Lord there? We're gonna go around. I could probably kill it way easier with my regular weapons, but do 8 damage. Do 8 damage. What the hell? Oh, he could disarm Lydia. Oh, also I just remembered that because I did that to my shouts, I never leveled them up. There we go. Oh, wait, what? Ah, damn it, I accidentally unlocked that one. Load? Sure. We didn't do that much damage to the guy anyway. Magic shouts. There you go. Yeah, he also has the shout. Oh, he's coming this way. I'm gonna go around. Lydia's doing so much damage. Yes, good damage. Oh, why are you turning to me? You can hit me once? Lydia, try not to die. Run away. Lydia, heal. Do I have healing magic? Restoration. Fast heal. I don't have anything to heal, though. Which health does Lydia have? Nope. Oh, she got disarmed there. Ah, shit. Ooh, okay. Our destruction spells leveled up. Let's get some more magicka and destruction. Let's take that. There we go. Pick up the weapon. Lydia, I need to talk to you. Darling.
I'll kill you if I have to.
Please do. Ah, that's so much damage. I need to heal up because apparently I can only take like 2 hits from this guy. I need to move. There you go. You take that. Yes, boy. Oh, he was so strong. Lydia, I'm gonna give your weapon back to you.
I am at your command.
Weapon. You take the axe. There you go.
Lead on.
Good axe. Let's save after that. There seems to be magic runes about, because as you can see, there's an electric one right there. Yeah, damn it. And there's another one there that's gonna do another 50 damage. Yeah. I can't dodge them either. Can I? Oh, I can just destroy them. Okay. So snake, whale. Oh. That turns all of them. Then this one is the whale. That turns all of them as well. Okay, which one only turns one? Okay, so that one only turns itself. That means that has to be the last one. So this one becomes the whale. And this one becomes the snake. And this one is eagle. Wait, why are you showing them here if you're just gonna show them up here as well? This one's the eagle, and this one's... oh, that one was already the whale. Okay, there we go. Ooh, big potion. Potion area. Yeah, nothing good. Lydia, really? I'll take that, though. Oh, yeah, he did finally catch up. Whoa. Big orb.
Well now, would you look at that?
There we go.
Nothing seems to work. Keep it busy. I'll try to drain some of its power.
Big guy. Staff just... ooh, this. Weapons. Where's the staff? I guess take... oh, he basically does no damage. There we go. Good staff. Doesn't really have much usability though. Be bound here. Yarick. Murder betrayer. condemned by your crimes against the realm and lord. May your name and your deeds be forgotten forever, and the charm which you bear be sealed by your ward. Oh, by our ward.
The only one seeing this, am I? Why, this is utterly unique.
Yes, it is big orb. It is nice. I touch orb now. So what do we do with it? Am I supposed to like do that? Can't touch it. Let me check the quest log. Speak to...
What could this place be?
What is this thing?
I have no idea. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. The Archmage needs to be informed immediately. He needs to see this for himself. I don't dare leave this unattended. Can you return to the college and inform Savos Aran of this discovery? Please, hurry.
Okay. Time to get out of here. There's a shout! Yay! Ooh. What's this shout about? Flash Ice Frost. There we go. Where's the handle for this? Oh, there it is. Hello, we are from at the top. Well, that was quick. That is like half the College of Winterholtz quest done.
Huh?
I'm EP. Why am I so sleepy all of a sudden? What time is it now? 8 o'clock? I've been streaming for a little bit. Maybe we should end it off here. Oh, let me switch to... which would be better? I feel like the frost and stuff usually would be better because it gives a extra status effect and unlike the fire.
Your concerns are not among
Well, save. That was a nice bit of Skyrim. Let's get up. There you go. What do I want to do? Well, I played the stuff that I wanted to play. Now, what do we do? You know what? Hytale came out, which apparently was like a hype game before. I would like to try it, but also I don't know how much it costs or where to even get it is the question.
Ah, an abundance of resources.
Oh, the Curtis Cassette idle game is on sale right now. Damn, this is like, what the fuck is this game?
Comrade, we are...
Why is it mostly... What the hell? It's very negative. I'm gonna show you what I'm currently looking at. So there's this automation game, which is very negative, but it showed up on my feed, and apparently it was made in 2015. Did these guys make anything else? Apparently they made some other games, but apparently they're all well, they're mostly disliked, except for apparently this furry game.
Comrade, we are most impressed with your new weapons factory.
Okay, let's see some of the reviews of this thing. Way too short and boring for a price tag. Okay, understandable. I beat the game in a little under an hour, and there isn't much to do after unlocking potato stuff. Just spam gym shops until you get all the money, then forget about the game. It feels more like an early beta rather than a product refunded, despite being a huge fan of Factorio Oak. Okay, he only played like for a tiny bit. Everyone only like played for an hour. Okay, this person played for 21 hours. I agree with others that the game is too short for the price. I understand that. Yeah, pros. It is a automation game. Interesting non-grid, non-tile approach. Mod support, but not really integrated into the game itself. Humor. Cons. Okay, so these are the pros. 1, 2, 3, and here are the cons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. I'm more shocked that that person played for that long and then decided to actually make a review of it. Fable. I have seen like videos of Fable, like Fable 1, Fable 2 and stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe I would like to play it at some point. Could be interesting. It is currently on sale. What the fuck? Why am I getting like 70 notifications? The hell is happening? Yeah, my phone was vibrating like crazy for some reason. Probably because I got like 7 or 8 different notifications at the same time. Could be. What's this? Let me check. Seemed like a platforming game. Nope, I'll get it. Well, that's that. Let's check some automation games. So there is this automation game where you're basically just doing mining and stuff. I saw Let's Game It Out play it. He did his usual thing of making a massive mess. But it seems very positive. I'll add that to my wish list. It is currently £12. There is a demo. I'll think about that. This is a sword crafting game. It does look cool. Seems like you can make some cool stuff. Some sort of zombie game? Oh, this is the game where you check the people for like different zombie symptoms and stuff, and then you have to either like let them pass or eliminate them. As you can see, just incinerate the human. That's something. Looks interesting. Don't feel like it would really be my type of game. What's this? Oh, Arc Raiders. A lot of people say that like Arc Raiders is a PvP game, but also the creators say that it's not supposed to be a PvP game because you're mainly supposed to be like fighting, you know, the big robots. But apparently a lot of the factions in the game just decided to say like, nah, we're just gonna do our own thing and just kill all of the players. So I saw Booby play this. Basically, whilst we were in a Discord call, he opened this up, and after he installed it and stuff, we then spent 4 hours just looking at all of the different funny characters that people have made. What's this? Some sort of puzzle game, I presume. Definitely seems like it. Just a single machine type of puzzle game.
Tell me what you can see.
There's a dial, and it makes the code on the front change.
Oh, that's right. There are codes for everything. There must be a code to wake it up.
The screen lit up, but it's not good. I can't read it. Aren't there any instructions?
This place is made out of vacuum tubes and relays, so no.
Half this entry's corrupted.
I think the machine's trying to protect itself. It contains a mixture of books, journals, letters.
In the beginning was the word.
There are books inside this thing.
It chews them up, swallows them all.
This is the title that goes with this code.
Okay.
I've got my notebook ready.
I'll add this to my wish list. Only 28. Okay. I'll think about getting this. It could be an interesting game for us to play. I do like my puzzle games after all. Another automation game. Seems like it's a farming sim type of thing. But also we can set up a shop. Nope, not FIFA. Okay. Another
we'll have a
building
chance
game.
To effectively acquire and produce goods for our clients. 100%.
Really?
No.
Definitely have better equipment.
Okay, so it's
What's the real probability of paying off our debt and going back home?
100%.
Really?
No.
So there seems to be a lot of fighting in this one.
Get up.
Also, it seems like they took a lot of inspiration from Helldivers.
For duty.
Oh, so you have to build a base. Okay, like a base that you can defend.
Let's build something.
So it seems to be something like 7 Days to Die, but in space with alien bugs. Okay. And it's in early access, of course.
It all
I
started
do have this
with an
game.
idea. What if?
What the fuck is this? Some sort of children's game? Whatever. Cool. Well, we have some games probably for the future. I'll have to check which ones I might want to play and so on. But, well, at least we have some options. Who do we... You know what? Luca's doing some stuff. And we have not said hi to her in some time. So, let's go say hi to her. /read. And there we go. Well, thank you very much everyone for hanging out with me. And I hope everyone had fun. Tomorrow I will probably be, well, I'll try to stream a bit earlier and a bit longer, so we can do something. I'll try and have like a plan set up so we can actually have like do some more stuff. Because usually I don't plan this stuff out, and it usually goes fine, but sometimes I just want to have like a concrete plan that I want to do. So yeah, I'll try and see what I can do. But yeah, thank you for coming by my office, and I hope to see everyone again. And now I will be watching That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, because I finished the first season yesterday, so I'm going to be moving on to the second season today. I'm going to be watching that until 3 AM in the morning. So yeah, looking forward to that. Okay, bye. And say hi to Luca. He's a horror streamer.